Welcome. In front of me I have the Samsung Galaxy A13, and today I will show you how you can apply tempered glass to this phone. So there's my phone. Obviously there is the tempered glass. So I'm gonna get started by just taking out the glass itself, and inside you should also have your wet and a dry wipe. You can use those if you don't have things like, for instance, microfiber cloth, which is what I'm going to be using. But obviously I do recommend using a microfiber cloth. It's just going to be much easier and better than this garbage that they include. So let's get started by completely cleaning off our display. So it's completely clean, crystal, without any kind of speck of dust, dirt on it. Okay, so it looks good right now. Now you do want to keep your microfiber cloth ready, just because once we take out our glass and peel off the protective layer that reveals the sticky side on the glass, you will want to give that display a couple more passes with the microfiber cloth, just a gentle like swipes to get rid of any kind of speck of dust that could have settled on the display, because the dust will get under your display and keep air trapped under. So that's why you want to do that. Now, before I actually peel this off, I will mention certain tempered glasses do have two different layers to peel, so they will have like a sticker on here and then one on the other side. The reason for that is one is the first one, I believe, usually is the one that reveals the sticky side on the glass, and the second one is just a protective layer to the glass itself that is right here. I don't have anything like any kind of protective layer right here that I would peel off. So this is just directly a tempered glass that I will see and touch once I apply this. So anyway, let's peel that off. Oh, actually, before I do that, let me just put that back on. I'll mention one last thing, how I actually apply my tempered glass. So the way I do it is I will place it to the edge, so I make sure that it's aligned evenly, so it's not like crooked where I have more space right here than I have right here. So I'll just align it evenly to do something like this, and I'll also pinch the phone from sides to make sure that the glass is spaced evenly from side to side. And once looking at it, it looks all good. I'll push my finger down and then drop the glass on the display slowly, so it will then start glowing. The reason why I push it down is so it doesn't like wobble around too much, because if I just hold it like this, it's much easier to, for instance, drop it in the wrong way. But if you align it and pinch it, as you can see, it will just fold away, kind of pinching it. So if you make sure that it's aligned correctly right here at the top, it should fall in place correctly. So anyway, now that we got that out of the way, let's apply our glass. So peel. There we go. And it's already dropped. So right now it's basically gluing itself to the display, as you can see. Didn't get all the way right here, so I'm just gonna push it, and here we go. It's now completely applied to my display. Really nicely spaced. Fairly decent job, if I may say so myself. So there we go. That is how you can apply your tempered glass. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.